So over here you can see that I have a bunch of pictures, and in these pictures you can add in some information as you want, such as ratings and labels, and you can even mark them for deletion or add in reject data information. So over here you can see that if I were to go around and click on individual images, you can see star ratings right here. So you can go around and click on star ratings and rate out the picture according to how you want right here. Just like this. You can go around and rate out the picture right here just like this, so that it is easy for filtration over here. You can go around onto filtration and filter them out as you like right here. So that's one. So you can also go around and add in other data as well. You can also go around and just delete this out right here. That is, you can go around over here, and then what happens is that they will be moved to trash. As you can see right here, they are simply marked for deletion over here just like this. So if I were to go around and click on the trash button again, then they won't be marked for deletion. If I were to go around and right click, you can see that I get these options over here as well. So you can set the rating from over here, as you can see, and you can set the color label for the rating for these images as well. So for example, you can see that as I click on this, and since I selected yellow, you can see the star rating color label changes up. You can go around and set the color label to green right here just like this. And let me just go around, set it out to green over here just like this as well. And if I were to go around and set it out to, let's say for example, red, this is what you have. So now you can see that there's different color labels right here just like this. So now if I were to go around over here onto, let's say for example, a filter, you can go for color rating and select out green, and they will be filtered out just like that as well. Or you can go for no label colors and so forth. You can also go around and sort all photos and so photos that are not marked for deleting right here just like this as well. Let me just go around and clear out the filters, and let me just mark this for deletion right here. And now you can go around and show let's say not marked for deletion, or you can go around and see marked for deletion right here just like this. So that is what you have. You can see that that is what you have, and now you don't have any filters. So you can go around and set this as reject over here as well. So if I were to go around and set it out for reject in the star rating section, you can see that it says reject over here just like this. But you can still go around and add in star. Then you can go around and then filter it out as per rejection as well. So that is how you can set out ratings, labels, and mark for deletion and reject inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.